2-ingredient dessert, no condensed milk, no cooking. Let's start by adding lemon jello to a container. Now add 200 milliliters of hot water. Next, we'll mix everything well. Now add 200 milliliters of cold water. And let's mix again. Refrigerate until it sets. In another container, add 200 milliliters of hot water. Add a packet of lemon jello. Let's mix this well too. Then add 200 grams of heavy cream. Let's mix again. Now, set this mixture aside. Once our jello has set, let's cut it into small cubes. Now let's put the cube jello into disposable cups. Then top it with our cream mixture. Refrigerate until it thickens. Look how amazing this dessert turns out. It's quick, easy, and delicious. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.